How will you prove that the unit of resistivity is ohm meter? Resistivity of a conductor is given by R is equal to rho L divided by A. Okay, so resistivity, you can write it as unit of resistivity is ohm. You know the unit of area, it is meter square. Okay, square meter. So now you convert the formula for rho. Okay, rho is equal to RA. Since A is in a denominator position, if you take it on the left hand side, it comes to the numerator. RA and L will again come to denominator on left side. So rho is equal to RA divided by L. Okay, resistivity unit is ohm, area is meter square, and length is meter. Now ohm will remain the same, meter square divided by meter. Okay, it will become meter, and hence the unit of resistivity will be ohm meter. Okay, electric circuit. Electric circuit is a continuous path of an electric current through the conducting wires. Connected to the two ends of a cell and other resistances is called an electric circuit. And here it is depicted in the figure, and the figure shows how different components are to be connected in the circuit by using special symbols for each of the components. And such a figure is called an electric circuit diagram. An ammeter is used to measure the current. Voltmeter is used to measure the potential difference between the two ends of a resistor. So as the voltmeter has a very high resistance, only very small current flows through it. Next, observe. Point out the mistakes in the given figure. You can see in the first case, the bulb is glowing. As the wire is broken, the circuit is incomplete. So the bulb here should not glow. Okay. In the case B, bulb is glowing. As the negative terminal is not connected with the wire, the bulb should not glow, even in this case. In the third case, bulb is not glowing. Here, the circuit is complete, so the bulb should actually glow, but it is not glowing. Lastly, as rubber is a bad conductor of electricity, here also the circuit is incomplete, and so the bulb should not glow. So the mistake is the bulb is glowing. Next, why are the bulbs in figure B, C and D below not lighting up? The bulb B does not glow because the circuit is incomplete due to the broken wire. The bulb C does not glow because the two wires are connected to each other and the circuit is not complete. The bulb D does not glow because both the wires are connected to the same terminal of the cell. Next, symbol for components of an electric circuit and their uses. You can see here there's an electric cell. It has got positive and negative charge. You have to draw this symbol in all the circuits. Positive line is a little longer than the negative one. Its use is to apply a potential difference between the two ends of a conductor. Next, battery. You can see here to apply a larger potential difference between the ends of a conductor. Okay, more than one cells are attached, and you can see the convention positive, negative on one side is attached to the negative, and so larger small lines are consecutively drawn. Next is the open tap key or the plug key, and it is to stop the flow of current flowing in a circuit by disconnecting the two ends of a wire. So key plays a main role at home also. You switch on the plug, and as soon as you switch on the plug key, the bulb glows or the fan moves. So it is the controller of the current flowing in the circuit. Next is the closed tap key or the plug key. It is to stop the flow of current in a circuit by connecting two ends of the wire. And be careful while using the symbol. If you do not use these symbols properly, the circuit becomes wrong. Next, connecting or conducting wires. They are shown as lines. And crossing wires, they are shown with the symbol to show wires which cross, but they are crossing each other, but these wires are not connected to each other. The symbol for light bulb is shown. It is to test the flow of electricity. Resistance is to control the flow of current in the circuit. Variable resistance is to change the resistance as required and thereby control the current. Ammeter is used to measure the current, and voltmeter is used to measure the potential difference between the 2 points in the circuit. Conductors and insulators. Okay. Why are some substances conductors while others are insulators? Think about it. Some substances possess large number of free electrons and low resistivity, hence they can conduct electricity. And some substances, they possess practically no free electrons and high resistivity, hence they cannot conduct electricity. And hence some substances are conductors while the others are insulators. Next question, why can our body conduct electricity? Make a list of conductors and insulators you see around you. Flow of charges and ions is what electric current is made up of. And our body cells, they contain various ions. Okay, they contain the salts, ions, sodium, okay, is there, potassium is there. So chloride ions are there. So these ions, they have the tendency to conduct electricity, and so our body can conduct electricity. Thank you.